In this video, I am about to discuss 3 important tips that each and every designer should definitely know when they are about to create a hero section. We all know hero section is the most important part of a website, and if you want to nail that first impression, then you should definitely consider these 3 points in the most corrected format. And if you are able to implement these 3 points in the most corrected format, then you will definitely hit that sweet spot that you are looking to. So, without further ado, let's see what are those 3 points. So, tip number 1 is clarity over cleverness. Your website, your hero section content should instantly communicate what value do you offer. Within the first 5 seconds, you should portray what your website is all about. Users should know what benefit they will get if they are on this website or if they take some services from your product. So it is very important to maintain the clarity of content and make the content in as easy and as concise way as possible. Now the second tip is visual hierarchy is everything. Users first scan your website before actually reading it. So make sure to make your website easily scannable. Use the popular F pattern, Z pattern, or popular and tested layouts that has been used by different websites that is already familiar to users to create that proper and direct connect. So make sure to maintain that visual hierarchy throughout your hero section, throughout your website. Now last but not the least, and I believe this is one of the most important tip that each and every designer should definitely know. And this is mobile first approach. Nearly 60 to 70% of users first visit your website through a mobile device. And this is because of obvious reasons. So make sure your website looks, functions perfectly well, perfectly fitting on mobile devices. You should definitely keep this point high up in order so that it would be easier for you to craft the content in that manner. So these are the 3 most important hero section tips that you should definitely keep in mind when you are about to create your next hero section design. So make sure to follow this, make sure to keep these points in mind and create that perfect fitting hero section design for your next project. That was it from this video. I would see you next time. Until then, remember one thing. Web design or any sort of design is simple. So let's keep it simple and let's make it simple. Happy designing.